Welcome to I am SSLC Facilitator. In the last class, we have discussed about trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. In this class, we are discussing some problems on trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. See the first problem. Evaluate sin 18 degree divided by cos 72 degree. In the solution, take the given as it is, sin 18 degree by cos 72 degree. First we have to check whether the given trigonometric ratios are complementary or not. We know that sin is complementary to cos and cos is complementary to sin, because sin 90 degree minus a is cos a and cos 90 degree minus a is sin a. And also the angles are also complementary here. 18 degrees is there, 72 degrees is there. Their sum is 90 degrees. So trigonometric ratios are complementary and the angles are also complementary. So we can easily solve this. The next step, we have to change sin into cos. For that, we have to write sin as it is. And 18 degree can be written as 90 degree minus 72 degree, because 92 degree minus 72 degree means 18 degree. So we will get again sin 18 degree. So we have to write 18 degree as 90 degree minus 72 degree divided by cos 72 degree. We know that sin 90 degree minus a is equal to cos a. Here, instead of a, here 72 degrees present. So sin 92 degree minus 72 degree means it is nothing but cos 72 degree divided by cos 72 degree as it is. We can cancel out this one. We will get 1 as the answer. We can also solve this problem by changing cos into sin. Let us see the next problem. Tan 26 degree by cot 64 degree. The solution, take the given as it is. Given is tan 26 degree by cot 64 degree. See here, the complementary of tan is cot and the complementary of cot is tan. And also the angles are also complementary. 26 degree plus 64 degree means we get 90 degree. So the angles are also complementary and the trigonometric ratios are also complementary. So we can easily solve this. We have to convert tan into cot or cot into tan. I will convert tan into cot. For this I will write tan as it is. And 26 degree can be written as 90 degree minus 64 degree by cot 64 degree. We know that tan 90 degree minus a is equal to cot a, because these two are complementary. So we can write tan 90 degree minus 64 degree as cot 64 degree by cot 64 degree as it is equal to, this will get cancelled, we will get 1 as answer. Let's see the next problem. Evaluate cos 48 degree minus sin 42 degree. The solution, take the given as it is. Given is cos 48 degree minus sin 42 degree is equal to, here also cos is present and sin is present, so these two are complementary, and also the angles are also complementary because their sum is 90 degree. I will convert cos into sin. You may convert sin into cos also. I will convert cos into sin. So for this I will write it as cos 48 degree can be written as 90 degree minus 42 degree, because 90 degree minus 42 degree means we will get 48 degree again, minus sin 42 degree as it is. We know that cos 90 degree minus a is equal to sin a. Instead of a, here 42 degrees present. So we can write this as cos 92 degree minus 42 degree means sin 42 degree. minus sine 42 degree as it is. Then these two will get cancelled. We will get 0 as answer. Let us see next problem. Cosecant 31 degree minus secant 59 degree. In the solution, take the given as it is. Cosecant 31 degree minus secant 59 degree. Here also cosecant and secant are complementary, and 31 degree and 59 degree are also complementary angles. So we have to convert cosecant into secant or secant into cosecant. I will convert cosecant into secant. For this we will write cosecant 31 degree as 90 degree minus 59 degree minus secant 59 degree as it is. Here 90 degree minus 59 degree means 31 degree. So I have written 31 degree as 90 degree minus 59 degree. The next step, we know that cosecant 90 degree minus A is equal to secant A. So here cosecant 90 degree minus 59 degree can be written as secant 59 degree minus secant 59 degree as it is. Then these two will get cancelled. We will get 0 as answer. See the next problem. Show that tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree into tan 42 degree into tan 61 degree is equal to 1. Here we have to show LHS is equal to RHS. So in the proof we have to take LHS now. LHS is equal to tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree into tan 42 degree into tan 67 degree. We have to prove this one as is equal to 1. Here there is no complementary trigonometric ratios. All are tan, but the angles are complementary here. See here 48 degree is there, here 42 degrees is there. These two are complementary, and here 23 degree is there, and here 67 degree is there. These two are complementary, means their sum is 90 degree. So we have to change either tan 48 degree or tan 42 degree, and either tan 23 degree or tan 67 degree. So in these two, I will convert this one. Tan 48 degree can be written as tan 90 degree minus 42 degree. Now in these two, I will change this one. So tan 23 degree can be written as tan 90 degree minus 67 degree. And these two will be written as it is. Tan 42 degree into tan 67 degree. We know that tan 90 degree minus A is equal to cot A. So this one can be written as tan 90 degree minus 42 degree can be written as cot 42 degree. Similarly, tan 90 degree minus 67 degree can be written as cot 67 degree, and these two will be written as it is, tan 42 degree and tan 67 degree. Now in the next step, cot 42 degree can be written as 1 by tan 42 degree, because cot and tan are reciprocals. Cot 67 degree can be written as 1 by tan 67 degree into tan 42 degree is present and tan 67 degree is present. Now these two will be get cancelled and these two will be get cancelled. It is equal to 1 and it is equal to RHS. So we have proved. See the next problem. Show that cos 38 degree into cos 52 degree minus sine 38 degree into sine 52 degree is equal to 0. In the proof, take the LHS as it is. LHS is equal to cos 38 degree into cos 52 degree minus sine 38 degree into sine 52 degree. We have, then it is equal to, here cos is present, here sine is present. But 38 degree is complementary to 52 degrees. So we have to change either cos 38 degree or sin 52 degree, either cos 52 degree or sin 38 degree, because these two are complementary and these two are complementary. Now I will change cos into sin among these two. So cos 38 degree can be written as cos 38 degree can be written as 90 degree minus 52 degree. Among these two, I will change this one. So cos 52 degree can be written as cos 52 degree is written as 90 degree minus 38 degree. Minus, I will write these two as it is, sin 38 degree into sin 52 degree. Then it is equal to cos 90 degree minus a means sin a. So we can write this one as sin 52 degree. And cos 90 degree minus a is again sin a. So sin 38 degree minus sin 38 degree and sin 52 degree. See this is having negative sign and this is having positive sign. These two are same. So we can cancel out these two. We will get 0 and it is equal to RHS. Hence we prove. See the next problem. If tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree, where 2a is an acute angle, 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Find the value of a. So in the solution, take the given tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree. This is the given. We know that cot 90 degree minus a is equal to tan a. It means here 2a is present, so we can write this as cot 90 degree minus 2a is equal to tan 2a. So tan 2a can be written as cot 90 degree minus 2a. So tan 2a can be written as cot 90 degree minus 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree. Have converted tan into cot now. In both LHS and RHS, cot is present and also there is an equality. So the angles must be equal. So in the next step, we have to take the angles. 90 degree minus 2a is equal to a minus 18 degree. Now 19 degree, I will transpose 18 degree to LHS. So minus 18 degree becomes plus 18 degree is equal to a, minus 2a becomes plus 2a. It implies 108 degree is equal to 3a. It implies 3a is equal to 108 degree. I have extended LHS and RHS. It implies a is equal to 108 degree by 3. It implies a is equal to 3 1s are 3 3s and 3 6s are. So 36 degree. The value of a is 36 degree. Let us go for the next problem. If tan a is equal to cot b, prove that a plus b is equal to 90 degree. This is a simple problem. The solution, take the given as it is. Given is tan a is equal to cot b. It implies tan A is equal to cot B is there. We know that tan 90 degree minus A is equal to cot A. Here B is present, so this can be written as cot 90 degree minus B is equal to cot B. So we can write cot B as tan 90 degree minus B. So this can be written as tan 90 degree minus B. Now on both sides tan is present and there is an equality, so the angles must be equal. So here the angles are equal, so A is equal to 90 degree minus B. It implies A is there, minus B is transposed to LHS, we get A plus B is equal to 90 degree. And that's proved.